Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram Reels lag. So the first step you simply need to do is to open settings of your smartphone. Then you need to go into the app management, click on app list and search for the Instagram. Click on that, click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache of your Instagram. Once you done that, you need to check that hopefully it will solve your issue, but let's suppose you are still facing an issue. You simply need to do is to open Instagram, click on the profile picture in the right bottom, click on three bars on the top right, click on settings and privacy. Then you need to scroll down and here you can see data usage and media quality. So if your data saver is on like this, so you simply need to turn this off. And here you can see that when data saver is turned on, videos won't load in advance to help to use less data. So make sure that this feature is turned on and you need to check that. And after disable this feature, your issue will be solved. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.